Guys, welcome to Inspire World with Linskit, where you can learn how to make passive income online, personal development, and learn juicy things around crypto ecosystem. So those are the three things I do on this channel. I teach you how you can make passive income, I share opportunities, I share with you and teach you how it can work and how credible those opportunities can be. That is what I do on this channel. So in case you're new to this channel, welcome to Inspire World with Linskit. And if you've not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification. Don't see the video to the end without subscribing and hitting the notification bell. And if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you for coming to the channel once again. So guys, without ado, what are we discussing in this video? We're discussing how you can understand trading trend line in crypto trading analysis, how to understand trend line in trading crypto analysis. So guys, without ado, let's move into the video proper. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So like I said earlier, I'm teaching you guys how to understand trend line in crypto trading analysis. This is the fundamental analysis of trading, fundamental technical analysis of trading, and that is trend line. So if you're new to crypto ecosystem, the trend line is one of the things that give you hedge, like it show you the market trend. We're still gonna go into that. So guys, first thing, alright, the first question I want to ask you, and as my viewer, I would like you to hit the comment section and respond to this question so that I can know your mindset around this question. So can I ask you, what do you understand by crypto trend line analysis? So I would like you to hit the comment section. If you have an opinion about this question I ask you, let me know. So let me show you my own opinion around what I Linskit understand about trend line analysis. All right, let's go. Okay, trend line. You can see my bed is surprised here. All right, trend line. This is how trend line look like. I'm still gonna show you the bonus tip at the end of this video, and that is the major thing that will show you the real thing about trend line. So what we're doing is theory. I'm going to take you to the practical, and that's what I will do at the end of the video. So stay to the end of the video and watch this video to the end. So trend line, what are trend line? What are the trend line in technical analysis of crypto trading? So let's talk about the first thing. Trend lines are lines that shows the character of traders in the market, or lines that shows how traders respond to trade in the market. So you understand what trend line is all about. So in crypto ecosystem, that is how traders trade. When you see trend line in trade view analysis, it tell you the characters of traders, how traders are behaving in the market, whether they are buying, they are selling, or they are indecisive in the market. Trend line review all this to you. So if you're trading or you enter the market, the moment you see trend line, you know what traders are doing at that point in the market. Let's go further. To trade or understand the direction of the market, you need to look at the trend line before you can make any trading decision. You see, the fundamental analysis of trading is trend line. So before you go into the advanced or deep or use your strategy, you need to employ the fundamental analysis of trading, which is trend line. So let's go for that, which implies that trend line contributes to every trader profit prospect. So if you want to make the market, like make juicy profit in the market, then trend line is a contributor. So trend line shows you the direction of the market, tells you that the traders are making profit. So once you know that traders are making profit, it gives you a venue or how to position yourself in the market. All right, let's go further, guys. Type of trend lines. Wow, my emoji is surprise. Okay, trend lines are okay. There are three major types of trend lines. We have the uptrend, we have the downtrend, and then we have the side trend. These are the three type of trend lines we have. So guys, let me explain to you what all these trend lines stand for. Let's go to the next slide. Wow. All right, trend lines. We have the uptrend. Let's talk about the uptrend here. Uptrend shows when traders are pushing the market towards the bullish trends, which means that traders are on the buy side. So once the market is going up, it shows the traders are profiting. Like there are a lot of demands in the market. Many persons are really buying in the market. So if you enter the market and you see the market moving up, then trend line actually show you what traders are doing in the market. Let's go further. Uptrend contains some higher highs and higher lows. When you see the markets going this direction, just know that people are buying. Also people are making profit from the market. I think I've explained that. We've done justice to that. So that's what you should understand about trend, uptrend in the market. It shows traders are buying. Let's go further, guys. All right. Whoa, my baby is tired because the market is bullish. All right, guys, let's go for that. Downtrend represents the downward movement of the market. It's a trading line that shows a bearish move of market. At this point, traders are selling off their assets. The market is in a volatile state. Traders on the trend line are in the state of losing their trades. So you should understand that trend line shows the bearish part of the market, that is traders are selling off. The market is volatile, is going down, while some traders are losing their trades. But what will you see when you see downtrend? You see some couple of lower lows and lower high, and you see some couple of okay, you see low here and you see high here. It shows the market is moving from the higher point to the lower point. But there is one thing I want to chip in here that you should understand as a trader. The downtrend does not mean that is the end of the market. It's just a means to a profit state in the market. Once you see the market is going towards a downtrend, it's an avenue for you who are not positioned in the market to position, because the downtrend is a state where people pull resources into the market to make profits at the uptrend again. So when you see downtrend, it doesn't mean it is the state, it is a moment to abandon the market. No, it's a moment to study the market, because trend line have already reviewed that the market is on the downtrend. Let's go to the next slide. Oh wow, something is happening here. My elephant is happy. All right, side trend means, let's go to the meaning of side trend so that we can know what side trend is talking about here. Okay, side trend. Okay, side trend line is a state of equilibrium in market. This is an indication state in the market where the market is experiencing an impulsive move to find a breakout. This breakout might either be an uptrend or a downtrend. When something like this occurs in the market, traders should wait for a breakout before they make any trading decision. So you should know that this is a state of indecision. Like you can see in the picture here, the market is moving impulsively towards the side of the market. At this point, traders are not advised to enter the market. You keep your cool and wait for a breakout. So when you see a breakout around here, it's either the breakout move up or the breakout move down here. So at that point, you get where you're going to position in the market. Don't enter the market when you see a consolidation. If you do, you might liquidate your asset. That's an instruction from Linsky to you. All right, guys, let me now take you to the final state, the bonus point of this video, so that you can see everything I've talked about on a live chart. All right, wow, this is my live chart here. Okay, this is Bitcoin, and as at this point, let me show you. This is, oops, sorry, my, all right, let me just keep this off. All right, let me, oh, okay, I'm still gonna go back there. All right, this is Bitcoin. Let me show you guys. At this point, Bitcoin is at the, okay, Okay, this is Bitcoin at this point. This is, I think, this 6th of July. This 6th of July 2024. Okay, Bitcoin is at 52. You can see this week. All right guys, let's go to the video proper and see our live chat. So in case you've not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. Not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe so that I can get notification every time I update on this channel. Please hit the bell so that you can get notification. That is why you need to subscribe. All right guys, let's go to the video proper. Okay, this is my trend line. Let me delete this so that I can know how I achieve the trend line. If you want me to teach you guys about trading view setup, in the comment section I'm going to show you guys. Just say Linsky, show me how to set up my trading view. I'll show you. All right, this is our downtrend. This is our downtrend here. This is our downtrend here. Is our downtrend here. So what do you see in this downtrend? What do you see here? You can see a series of lower lows, lower lows, lower lows, lower lows. I can see series of lower highs, lower highs, lower highs here. Let me tell you one thing. Let me go back to my slide and show you something. Trading view will not appear like this. It won't appear like what you're seeing there, but this is what you see in your trading view. This is what you're going to see in your trading view. You're going to compress all the old candles together, and that's why it is. So if you want to achieve that kind of line, you compress the candle to achieve this kind of line. So this is our downtrend. Let me delete this line so that I can show you uptrend. Let's go see uptrend. How an uptrend look like. Okay, this is an uptrend here. This is an uptrend here. This is an uptrend. This is an uptrend. You can see higher lows, and higher highs, higher highs, higher highs. That is uptrend. So what we're going to look for now is our consolidation. Excuse me, consolidation. That's what we're going to look for now. Okay, let me drag the live chart so you can see. Okay, this is a consolidation, but it's not really perfect. Let me look for this is a consolidation here. So let me delete this line so that I can pull. Okay, now we have this line here. So this is a consolidation here, which tell like there's an indecision at this point of the market here. So you can see there's an indecision at this point of the market. So you can see here now, so there is the market is moving from this angle towards here, so it experienced a consolidation here, but you can see now the market break down here. So if you enter the market while the market is experiencing an impulsive move, the market might move against you at this point or go in your favor towards up. So you can see that now I've shown you in a live chart 3 phases of trend line. That's 3 types of trend line. So guys, that's that about this video. If this video have really added value to you, please smash the like button and turn up your notification and subscribe and turn on your notification, and share this video with your friends that have plight for crypto and they want to learn about crypto trading. I'm going to be dishing out technical analysis in my subsequent videos so that I can learn more about technical analysis. All right, till next time when I see you on the same channel, which will be next week. Till then guys, I love you. Peace out, bro. Bye bye.